Hello and welcome to Home Seller Bootcamp Day 2. Yesterday we talked about step 1 in this process, which is a consultation with yours truly to discuss your goals, timing, needs, and a strategic plan for getting you to where you want to end up. Today we're going to talk about cleaning and pre-packing. This might not be the most fun part of the process, but cleaning and pre-packing are crucial steps to prepping your home for sale. And they can also make a huge difference in how much your home sells for. Say no more, right? So pre-packing can make your rooms look larger and your storage areas like your closets or your basement look larger. And buyers need to feel like your home has enough space for them and their growing needs. Okay, so first you're gonna stock up on storage bins. Next, you're gonna go through those closets and empty half of what is currently in there. I know that sounds overwhelming, but think about removing half your shoes, half your clothes, half your linens, jackets, half. Then you're gonna tackle the kitchen countertops and the pantry. If they are currently jam-packed like mine are, you want to remove anything that you won't truly need and pre-pack it. For example, do you really need 13 casserole dishes? Or in my case, 200 Tupperware plastic containers? No, leave only what you need in the next couple months. If you have small appliances that you don't use all the time, like a popcorn machine or an indoor grill or a cupcake frosting tool, pre-pack those items. Remove appliances like blenders, toaster ovens, etc. from the countertops and find a place for them in a cabinet or a pantry shelf. The goal is for your counters to look empty and spacious and for buyers to envision themselves working in this organized kitchen. Same concept for your pantry. Evaluate what you will really use and then organize it and actually go through and throw out anything that's expired. Make it look like something on the home edit. When it comes to home decor, knickknacks and other accessories, you want to pre-pack anything smaller than a baseball. It's fine to leave out things like a candle or a plant or some coffee table books, but too much stuff looks cluttered. So you should remove all of it. You should also remove personal items like family portraits, photo collages, trophies, kids' artwork. Okay, in the bathroom, this is your chance to purge. Trust me, it feels really good. Go through all your toiletries, your medicine cabinets. Chances are you have expired items or things you simply don't use. You want to throw them out. Pack anything you want to keep, but do not use every day. Pick up smaller bins that you can store things in, like first aid items, bath toys, cleaning products, so you can neatly store them away in your linen closet or under the cabinet. Here's a tip for keeping pre-packed items organized. You can buy labels in different colors and code the bins based on which room they go to. So maybe yellow labels for the bathrooms, blue for the kitchen, etc. This way, when you go to pack the rest of the house later, you know which bins contain which rooms, in case they still have room in them to add more stuff. Let's talk about deep cleaning. I tour hundreds of homes a year. And I will tell you that hands down, the most important thing to make a buyer feel like your home is well cared for and in good condition is a sparkly, clean home. Maybe that means investing in a cleaning service to help you. It could be worth it and help be less stressful. $200 to $250 could really go a long way to have someone help you hit those difficult areas. You want to clean your windows. You want to clean your window blinds. You want to remove screens that are torn, clean dirty screens. Honestly, removing screens and storing them away makes your windows and your rooms brighter. Clean the glass on your fireplace, any glass surfaces. Dust your baseboards. Assess if you should put a fresh coat of paint on baseboards and trim, especially in high traffic areas like the entryway or the mudroom. Dust fan blades above the kitchen counter cabinets. All those hard to reach places. You want to have the carpets cleaned. You want to deep clean your tile and your grout and wash all your hard surface flooring. Wipe down cabinets, all the doors, appliances. You want to clean the oven and the refrigerator. Yes, people look in there. Let's talk real quick about the entrance and the foyer. Make sure that these areas are super clean, paint is fresh, and it's not cluttered at all. Even in a seller's market like it is today, first impressions are key to strong offers. The cleaner your home is, the more appealing to buyers, and they will look closely at all those areas. Thanks for tuning in to day 2. If you want a copy of my free home seller bootcamp guide, you can find the link in the comments below, or if you're on Instagram TV watching this, you can find the link in my bio. Tomorrow, we talk about home staging must-dos. See you then.